is an opportunity for an offer holder to come and experience the University of Cumbria campuses, get to know tutors, get to know fellow classmates, and really learn what the University of Cumbria is all about.
By coming to an Applicant Visit Day, you can see the campus, you can see some current students, you can see all the facilities we have, and it's a really good opportunity to speak to the lecturers. We've got lots of activities going on today that gives you a real flavour of what to expect, and it looks like the applicants are having a great time.